Liongard's integration with Power BI uses Liongard's deep data to create powerful outcomes. This integration enables your team to get insights from the systems you manage using Liongard's data and Power BI's reporting capabilities. To help partners get started with this integration, Liongard has created 6 Power BI templates that you can download and customize to fit your unique business needs. In this video, we'll take a look at these templates so you can get an idea of what's possible with Power BI and Liongard's deep data. Let's dive in. We'll begin with the Windows Workstation Status template. This template is designed to gather stats on your deployed Windows Workstation inspectors. This template has multiple tabs, but at large, it helps you understand the status of your workstations across all your customers. The Landing Dashboard tab offers high-level details of your total workstations, customers, memory, drives, and OS status. You can also stay on top of the state of your customers' antivirus and Defender status in the Antivirus tab, as well as the status of operating system updates of each of your customer workstations on the Updates tab. Lastly, the Security tab helps you understand the status of your firewalls, BitLocker status deployed, not deployed, and local admins across customer workstations. Next, the Microsoft 365 User and Licenses report helps you answer questions like how many active, inactive, disabled, privileged, and unlicensed users are there across my clients, how many unassigned, suspended, and assigned licenses do I have, how many have not been active in 30 days, and how many of my clients have on-premises sync enabled. But the power of this template goes beyond high-level numbers. You can also click into any of these figures to drill down into specific customers. For instance, I can drill into the not active user in the last 30 days figure and immediately get a list of each of these users in a single report. I can also filter by customer, giving me insight into the environment I am most interested in at the time. You can also export any of these tables as an Excel file. Next, our Liongard Instance Health dashboard is very helpful in helping you maintain your Liongard instance. Here, you can ensure that your inspectors and agents are up and running and take action if there is ever an issue. You can view the counts of completed, scheduled, and failed inspectors, as well as the total count of inspectors in your instance. You can also get a count of discovered inspectors across your networks that you have yet to configure, and you can drill down into any of these figures to see those specific inspectors. Now let's look at the Expirations template, which will show you warranties, expirations, domains, TSL, SSL certificates, and other important licenses that are coming up for renewal. You can also sort these upcoming or present expirations by customers, inspectors, or by software and hardware in the table below. Next, the Active Directory Password Policy template is designed to help you review which users and policies do not meet your desired standards. It will show metrics such as accounts in violation of minimum password age and lockout threshold, and much more. The gauges in green will show the accounts that are meeting your standards, and the table below is formatted to show you who and what exactly is not meeting your standard. Know that you can quickly change what your policy standards are inside of Power BI Desktop, and it will immediately be reflected in this template. This customization gives you complete control for the visibility that you need. The User's Overview tab will allow you to drill down on each of your users' policy standards, and you can also sort each of these by the specific customer environments that you support. Lastly, the Access Control Report template will help you ensure that all of your end users are appropriately added or offboarded from all of the systems that you manage. You can search users by their name or emails and get immediate insight into their access to various systems, whether it's Active Directory, Azure, Duo, Microsoft 365, or N-Central, saving you precious time when you onboard or offboard users. You can also sort by customers and get insight into access for each of the hosts that you manage. Now, do know that the data in these pre-built templates come from metrics that are already baked into your Liongard instance, meaning that after you set up the Liongard Power BI connector, you can download these report templates and immediately begin using them with data from your Liongard instance. You can also create your own reports using Liongard's data in Power BI, giving you the freedom to customize and visualize Liongard's deep data to meet your team's needs.